Okay, why your SEO traffic isn't converting into sales? So if you're using WordPress and writing blog posts, so let me just show you. So writing many blog posts and using tools like ChatGPT or SEO, writers like Arrow, one I'm using. So you have to understand that it's simply your traffic isn't converting sales. It's because either you are not personalized enough or you don't have CTA. So the thing how I automate this personalized and CTA is going to the raw, going to the articles. Let me just go into the articles. Okay. So here, when I click on input before I produce any article, I will go into the knowledge. I'm sorry, content. Okay, not here. Structure. Yeah, if I go into the structure here, it asks call to action. So it says we will add an extra H3 to your article with a call to action to this URL, leave a blank output. So if I add my website here, every time the AI writer produces an article, I will get a CTA with the personalized information content. So that is, these are the number one reasons why your SEO traffic isn't converting into sales. You better do this. So how I automate is with the Arvo. This is called Arvo. The link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. In ChatGPT, you can go into the personalized settings and tell it to manually put call to action as that website or whatever the call to action you want. By the way, I'll make more tutorials like this on SEO, completely SEO, how to rank on Google. You can check that out, all the videos. Hit the like button, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.